Yeah.
Tesla will release a cheaper Model Y with bigger batteries soon, and you can already buy one now if you're an employee.
Oh, wow. That's good.
This is the one you were going to get, right, Will?
I see them everywhere now.
Everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
It's got to be the number
Like
one.
more so than the
Absolutely.
3,
Yep.
actually.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
They look better and better the more that I look at them. But
Wow. That's a good review.
Easy, Will.
Yeah.
It's looking better and better.
Can't get
but
sick
it was
of
such
it.
a low bar.
Oh, you never like the look of it.
Yeah. I almost feel like it's very bulbous
Yeah, it is. It's squished.
on the road.
It's a squished Model 3 is what it looks like, although it's obviously bigger than the Model 3. It's not squished at all comparatively. If you've been pining for a Tesla EV using one of the company's higher capacity 4680 battery cells is finally here. Oh, if you've wanted a bigger battery cell. Though you'll probably have to wait a short while. Tesla's selling the Model Y in a new standard range all-wheel drive variant that uses 4680 cells to offer 279 miles of range and a 5-second 0 to 60 time. Okay, so this is a 60,000 US model, but it's currently only being offered to employees. I presume this is kind of a popular model. I think a lot of people want they want a long range, or I don't understand because it says $3,000 less than the long range. Oh, so that's what you're saving?
Mm-hmm.
Around $3,000.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, listen.
It's not bad.
I think you want the long range. I think
Bigger space.
I think you want the long range. It's just it's one less thing to worry about.
Mm-hmm.
Although I got to be honest, and I told you this previously, Will, that my thing is topped up all the time. My current lifestyle, there's no anxiety, no range anxiety. It hasn't entered, I don't even think once. And that includes a couple of trips out of town. I went out of town a few times.
Oh, yeah?
I just look it up. Okay, here's a charger, sort it out. Now, obviously, this is different for everybody depending on where you are and depending how frequently you travel long distances and how much pressure you're under to like hit certain travel deadlines and things like that. But it is nice to have anyway.
Mm-hmm.
So